Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access Sora 2 for free without invitation code and without VPN. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that now Sora 2 has become a trend and a lot of people search how to get Sora 2 for free. No worries, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access the Sora 2 for free. First of all, you can visit this website sora2.cloud and then you can sign in with your Google account and you will get 10 credits for free guys. And I got 10 credits, but I have already used all my credits to generate videos. Okay, and here you just need to add the prompt. You can also attach an image as a reference and you can choose the duration and the orientation right here, and then you just need to click on generate video and it will need 10 credits. But before it, it's only cost 5 credits, but I don't know, but you can get it for free. 10 credits for free, and this is the video I have generated.
I know, we'll find the stream. Once we hit it, we can follow it out.
Okay, I have generated 2 videos, and yeah, that's so cool. So this is the way to access Sora 2 for free guys, without invitation code and without a VPN. So you can try it by yourself, and you can generate any video that you want using Sora 2 from this website. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Sora 2 for free without VPN and without invitation code. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!